A very good morning from my side. Welcome to this video. I want to show you how to make a healthy and heavy breakfast that will keep you full for most part of the day. Equally, this recipe takes a very short time to make. Therefore, it's ideal and recommended for your breakfast with only very readily available ingredients in your home. That's eggs and cabbages. We're going to prepare something that's out of this world, something so nice and so enjoyable. Follow every step to the end so that you don't miss anything. So first of all, I'm going to prepare all the ingredients. I'm going to cut the onions and to shred the cabbages and to grate the cheese and then embark on the cooking. Remember, this will take a very short time to prepare, and within a short time your breakfast will be ready. For you to grate this cheese, which I'll show you later on, I'll be using it to top up my recipe. You can as well use something else that you love. For me, this day I'm using cheese, and I'm also going to use a little bit of pineapple. But you can use sausages or any meat product that you love to top up this recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a pan, then add the onions to it. We are going to cook this onion for a short time until it's fragrant. Don't let it turn brown. And then we're going to add the cabbages into it. We want this cabbage to have a crispy taste, a crispy finish. So cook for no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Once it becomes crispy, not soft, we're going to take it out of the heat. Pour the cabbage into a large bowl. Large because this way you're going to mix all the other ingredients. So to the eggs, I'll add a little salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix it to the cabbage. In a separate bowl, put 2 tablespoons of all-purpose baking flour and a little milk. I added a little paprika powder, but you can add any spice that you love. You can add cinnamon or anything that you love to eat. And then mix it very well. Heat 1 tablespoon of margarine in a pan. And then add the mixture onto it and spread it evenly on the pan. Turn the heat to low and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on very low heat, and then turn the other side. So while it cooks, I'm going to chop a slice of pineapple, sweet pineapple, that I'm going to use to top it up as a topping on my recipe. Chop it into very small pieces. Once you turn it over, you're going to put the toppings, that is the cheese and the pineapples. So as it cooks, you'll need to wait for the cheese to melt before you can remove it from the heat. Do let me know if you try this recipe what your outcome is. And remember, I've said the toppings are quite optional. You can put them, or you can put something else that you love. But I would like to know from where you are watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel for lots of this kind of videos and so much more. Enjoy your recipe with a drink of juice or whatever that you love to drink in the morning. Till next time, thank you so much for watching.
Nisikie matawi.